Welcome to BookMatch. BookMatch is a website with a chatbot that basically gives you personalized book recommendations based on the user's interests. With our group, we really love reading, but sometimes we stumble into the common problem of not knowing what book to read next, and this chatbot can help with that. Just to show you how it works, over here you'd write a specific input, and the input could be something like for instance, a genre. So say I want to read a romantic novel. If I type in the word romance, the chatbot will, give back a recommendation for a novel that I could read within that specific genre. So for instance, it says, if you're looking for a romantic read, it recommends a novel called The Notebook. And then it gives me one or two sentences about The Notebook to see if it's something that I'm interested in. Say instead of reading a romance novel, I want to read something in a different genre, like a horror novel. I could type in the word horror and it would give me a horror book recommendation. And so it's recommending a novel called The Shining. I've heard of Stephen King, but I've never read The Shining. So this is actually a novel that I would be interested in trying out. Instead of putting in a genre, another way that the chatbot works is you could put in the name of an author. So my favorite author personally is Taylor Jenkins Reid. If we were to type out Taylor Jenkins Reid and wait a couple seconds, it gives us a novel. It says Taylor Jenkins Reid is one of my favorite authors. If you're a fan of her, you should check out her latest novel, which is called Daisy Jones and the Six. So this is basically the way that the chatbot works. As a user, you could put in something like a genre, you can put in something like an author's name, and BookMatch will basically find recommendations for you based off of what you put into the chatbot. That way, giving you an unlimited amount of recommendations for books that you can continue to read. So basically, this is how the project, or this is how BookMatch works. You should try it out.